Yo, Casca King here, back at it again with the Unbroken Bonds, and you're probably going to hear my hyperactive dog in the background for a couple of these. Let's get into the pack, shall we? Yep, that's definitely baby playing. Annabelle, you're going to hit your head again. We're going to have to get you a little helmet. Do. Alright, so we got Mischievous. We got a Saladin. And on the end, we have a fucking energy. I hate getting energies in these freaking packs. Anyway, check out the links below. Stay awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.